Earlier, Buddha thought that man can really enter into the tranquility and peaceful world by really controlling his thoughts. The sorrow, suffering, grief, and pain are because of his miseries, evil thoughts. And so he gave Four Noble Truths. And it is my pleasure to discuss these Four Noble Truths, which is the very basic foundations of his preachings and teachings, and we can read together. And that will be really very enlightening for us. The Four Noble Truths, which Buddha had proclaimed already in his first sermon, and upon which he placed so much stress in his many discourses that all schools of Buddhism has appropriated them as their common foundation. The Four Truths all center around the facts of suffering, dukkha, understood not as mere experienced pain and sorrow, but as the pervasive unsatisfactoriness of everything conditioned. The first truth deals with various forms of suffering: birth, old age, sickness, and death, the misery of unpleasant encounters and painful separations, the suffering of not obtaining what he wants. It culminates in the declaration that all constituent phenomena of body and mind, the aggregates of existence, being impermanent and substanceless. It culminates in the declaration of all that constituent phenomena of body and mind, the aggregates of existence, being impermanent and substanceless, are intrinsically unsatisfactory. The second truth points out that the cause of suffering is craving, the desire for pleasure and existence which drives us through the round of rebirths, bringing in its all trail sorrow, anxiety, and despair. The third truth declares that the destruction of craving issues in release from suffering, and the fourth prescribes the means of pain release, the Noble Eightfold Path. Right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Beloved friends, I am presenting you the text so that you can read and revise what I tell you. To live is to suffer. To live is to suffer. And this is because of ignorance. The root cause of suffering is desire, cravings. When desire ceases, suffering ceases. And to attain such a state of mind where there is no suffering, we have to follow the eightfold of Noble Path. That is, right view, right understanding, right thought, you can say, right speech, right action, right means of livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right meditation, and right concentration. Wish you best of luck. But it is very difficult. In spite of doing all these, you can never be happy in this degenerate world where there is a violence, where there is a curse, where there is a hatred, where there is ignorance darkness, sorrow, suffering, grief because of the man's creation. Greed, anger, hatred, and jealousy and cynical thoughts of man. You can purify your mind, heart, and soul, but it's very difficult to purify everyone. There are different prophets, different preachers who have given different thoughts of greed and selfishness. Massacre all, kill all, conquer all, spread your thoughts. These can never make this world a peaceful place. Thank you, Gautama Siddhartha, for being my best friend. Thank you.